If you've accidentally deleted photos from your iPhone, want to know how you can recover them, then don't worry. Recovering deleted photos on iPhone is much easier than you think. So here is how you can recover your deleted photos from Photos apps. So let's get started. Solution 1. Recover from recently deleted folder. Open the Photos app on your iPhone, scroll down to bottom of the screen, tap Recently Deleted, enter your password, select the photos you want to recover, tap Recover. Tap Recover Photos. Solution 2. Restore from iCloud backup. Go to Settings on your iPhone, tap your name at the top, Apple ID section, select iCloud, tap Manage Storage, then Backups. Check if you have a recent backup that includes the deleted photos. If you do, you'll need to erase your iPhone to restore it from that backup. To do this, go back to Settings, scroll down, tap General, scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Erase All Content and Settings and follow the prompts. After your iPhone restart, set it up and choose Restore from iCloud Backup during the setup process. By following these steps, you should be able to recover your deleted photos on your iPhone. If you encounter any issues or need further assistance, feel free to reach out.